A warm welcome to BILTON and to the discovery of the simplicity of LED light management. These are the guidelines to the 4-channel LED dimmer steel DMX, used to switch, dim and control white light, RGB or RGBW. Firstly, remove the side cover, and in doing so you free the terminal clip. You can now attach the LED module on the right hand side, the plus on the first terminal and minus on the second. On the left hand side you connect the power supply, once again the plus on the first terminal and the minus on the second. Now connect this to the BILTON base. The first terminal shown here on the left is for the DMX minus, the second terminal for the DMX plus. Lastly, the third terminal for DMX ground. Now put the side cover on and secure it with the corresponding screws. And on we go, directly to the base. The plus of the power supply will be connected to the first terminal and minus to the second. Now switch channel 5 to on, so as to configure the monochrome mode. After the power has been applied, the light can be dimmed lower by turning to the left or increased by turning to the right. By applied pressure, the device is switched off. To connect an RGB LED module, connect as follows. First terminal plus, second terminal for red, third terminal for green and fourth terminal for blue. Then close the side cover and tighten the screw. On the base, switch channel 5 to off. Now you are in RGB mode. Switch on the power and dim as usual, for less light to the left and more light to the right. By applying pressure, the device can be turned on and off. Now to the individual modifier keys on base. By applying pressure on the circle switch, you start to change the color mode. Rotate the dimmer in order to change the colors. The standard switch is used to start the color sequences. By turning the dimmer to the left, this will be slowed down, and to the right will sequentially accelerate it. Fast or slow, the flashing of the triangle will indicate your current speed. Of course, you can also save a desired color. Press on the color you want until the switch Scene 1 flashes briefly. For another color, do the same on Scene 2. Again, press until it briefly flashes. When you now want to get the colors you wish, simply press and release the switch, and you have the desired lighting. To switch to manual mode, open the cover on the right hand side and remove the jumper JS1. Under the cover on the left hand side, one switch will be connected to BTN1 and one to BTN2. Close the cover again and tighten the screws, and simply operate using the switches. Switch 1 is used to switch on and off by briefly pressing it, or to dim by pressing and holding. You can change the color mode by holding switch 2 down. By briefly pressing switch 1, it's possible to go through the colors individually. To save the desired color, briefly press switch 2. After that, you can turn on and off the chosen color once again, using switch 1. You can regulate these by pressing and holding.